Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to be installing the front strut bar. So it finally came in, and so what I heard about these is that, or I saw the reviews on these specific strut bar, especially for Megan Racing. Apparently a lot of people claim that these were put on backwards, so that's why I took it apart first. And then apparently for this strut bar, it looks like it was gonna sit too high where the hood would not close. So we're just gonna test that theory if it actually does or doesn't close or anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. But if you guys saw my last video, I didn't have the proper tool to tighten down the bolts with the Allen key. Now I got a set. So you guys don't have to freaking bitch at me and complain about how, like, oh, you used the wrong tools. Well, I finally got tools, because during that time I couldn't get any new tools because I didn't have another run. But anyways, I got the tools. We're gonna go ahead and just install this. But first, let's see what we have to encounter. It looks as if only this side needs to be cleared out compared to the other side. The other side looks good. It's just this piece that we need to remove. It looks like a 10mm bolt. But first, let's see how this gets mounted on. Let's see. Nope. I don't think it goes on that way. I think it goes like this, doesn't it? I hope this is the right side. Put like this to angle it like that. Let's try this one again. I think it could be this way. Well, we're gonna figure out. Okay, because we gotta make sure the hood sits properly, since there's at least one person that may have put it on backwards or wrong or incorrectly, but we'll figure it out right now. Alright, it looks like it's kind of sitting too high, in my personal opinion. I mean, nothing's bolted down yet, but it looks too high. Look at that gap. So, let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. It looks like it closes. Let's open this up again. Yeah, it looks like it's all good to go. Yeah, I guess that's a proper clearance for it to go close down, I guess. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video of this strut bar tower install. So if you guys are still going to be ordering this, yes, it does close if you install it properly. So how I did it is that this flat side goes towards the driver, and this side's tilted up. You guys can see it's really hard to tell, so but you guys just have to play around with it, fiddle with it to figure out the fitment, and you'll eventually get it. So it does close, right? So if you guys are looking to review it on Redline 360, where one person had trouble closing it, well, I have no issues with it whatsoever. So everything's all good and intact, and we're ready to go. I'll put the item of this in the description below so you guys can get it, and hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and peace out.